Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, the major averages this week posting some pretty good gains. The Dow gaining more than 300 points. That adds up to a percentage of 3.2% gain for the week. The S&P also gaining 3.2% for the week, and the Nasdaq also pretty much even there, 3.29%. So tacking on some pretty good gains this week. And the major averages year to date up once again. The Dow up more than 14%, and remember the Dow closing above 10,000 as we closed out Friday's session. The S&P year to date up 18%, and the Nasdaq, of course, up almost 34%, has been the clear winner all year. Now, as for Friday's session, stocks fluctuating after the nation's unemployment rate clocking in at 10.2%. That is the first time since 1983 that we've had the unemployment rate over 10%. Also, employers cut a bigger than estimated 190,000 jobs. Some money managers like Mark Bronzo of Security Global Investors saying, yes, that unemployment rate and the job losses were pretty bad numbers, but he says people are thinking that it may not get a lot worse. So that was one of the reasons that stocks were able to recover, but also stocks able to overcome that news on jobs after analysts raised their ratings and target prices for GE. GE actually the biggest gainer in the Dow Jones Industrial Average on the day, as analysts said risks to its finance unit have diminished. Taking a look at some of the retailers, Macys rallying after JP Morgan Chase predicted it beat third quarter profit estimates. And in fact, speaking of the retailers, Macys will be just one of the retailers releasing their quarterly earnings next week. We also have Walmart, Urban Outfitters, Nordstrom, and Kohl's also among the retailers that will be reporting those quarterly earnings. And we also have other earnings on Monday morning as well that we will be taking a look at before that opening bell. That's it from here, Pim. Back to you in the studio.